I'm going to start off in the notation. It's very similar to the 3x3, except instead of having a side facing you, it's going to be two corners. There's R and R prime, F, F prime, L, and L prime. That's all that will be used in the beginner algorithms, but when you're scrambling, there will be a different notation to use. I'm going to be solving white first for demonstration purposes. To get a corner like this onto the white side in the correct place, you want to first see that this does have blue on it and will line up with this one. And you want to have, so it can either be here or here. If it's facing here, you can do a one turn and it's solved. But in this case, we don't have that. So since we want to orient the corner so that the white side is facing where it wants to go, and do R prime, F, R. Next we have this one. It's facing up and it wants to go here. So we want to turn this so that it's facing into where we want to go, and we have the other case, which is L, F prime, L prime. That inserts it in. Here we have another one that needs to be inserted correctly. So we want to put it up so it's facing into where it wants to go, and do R prime, F, R. And the first side is done. After getting the first side on skewb, you need to orient the opposite side corners. There's three cases. One similar to the bow tie, one similar to the chameleon like this, and the third is solved. When you get this case, you want to do F prime, L, F, L prime, and the corners are oriented. The other case for OLL will have two solved corners, and with the remaining two facing in the same direction. You want to orient them towards you, not away, and do R prime, F, R, F prime. That will set up the other case chameleon, where you can do F prime, L, F, L prime, and the corners are solved. Once the opposite side corners are solved, you want to put in the opposite side center. To orient this, you want to put the center in the back left with the corners on top, and do R prime, F, R, F prime. Y2, rotate the cube twice, R prime, F, R, F2. Then we're on the last step. Once the yellow side is oriented correctly, we're on the last step to solve the cube. There's one of two cases, and one leads to the other. So with this one, you want to put the color that needs to go on top. It's almost the same as the last center case for the yellow side. So in this case, you want to put this in the same spot, back left, and have the alike colors on top. And do R prime, F, R, F prime, Y2, R prime, F, R, F prime. And it solves the cube. The other case is where no remaining centers are solved. Sorry, that's hard to see, but this is orange and that's red. This is orange, that is red. In that case, you can do the same algorithm from any angle as long as the two solved sides are the front left and the back right. You want to do R prime, F, R, F prime, Y2, R prime, F, R, F prime. Then you want to set it up again so that this color corresponds with the back left one, and do R prime, F, R, F prime, Y2, R prime, F, R, F